What is happening, guys? We are Craig and Amy, and you are watching Kicking It!
And this is what we've been getting up to keep ourselves entertained in this weird time to be on planet Earth. The day usually starts the same. I set an alarm for my morning routine, whilst Amy stays in bed. First I set the mood, and then I tend to my children. I'm a vegan. Then I like to stretch out with some morning yoga. Once I got the blood pumping, it's time to find my zen in the world of meditation.
My days usually start the same.
Amy!
After being rudely awoken by Gandhi
Namaste.
and looking like some kind of Boris Johnson Trump love child, my first mission of the day is to tame the mullet. You should always have a confidence boost session in the morning. Ours comes in the form of a Paris Fashion Week catwalk. Cheer me on, man.
I mean, if you can't make it to Paris, then just bring Paris to your bedroom.
Work it, girl.
After the paps get what they want, and with our confidence fully boosted, it's time to eat a solid breakfast, crafted with pure skill. So usually when we're eating our breakfast and fueling up for the day, we end up in a TikTok rabbit hole. But sometimes it can be inspiring.
So once we finish getting a pump on, we like to get some cardio in.
But as you know, Captain B is not a runner or a walker. Ever since we started building our bus and planning our road trip through Europe, we always wanted a pair of sick bikes. In the end, we couldn't find the perfect bikes that would fit in Custard and take us wherever we needed to go. But a few weeks ago, we had a super exciting email. Which brings us on to this week's sponsor.
A huge shout out to Rad Power Bikes for this extra special parcel.
This is the Rad Mini 4, a badass electric fat bike with 20-inch puncture-resistant multi-terrain tyres, a backlit LCD display and front suspension. If you're riding this, you're gonna look like a rude boy.
No. Craig, you excited?
Oh mate.
You're excited because I'm excited.
So good. So if you're unfamiliar with electric bikes, it comes with a little LCD screen and a button, and you just turn it on, press the mode button, and your screen switches on, which is connected to the battery, which is then connected to your motor. So off one full charge, believe it or not, this bike will go 88 kilometers. How good is that?
How far's that then?
It's quite far, isn't it? For me, I don't know about you, but this is probably the best looking bike I've ever seen.
Absolutely.
Matte black, it's got orange detailing, it's got a kickstand.
Bit of us, isn't it?
It's so gangster. Like, we were riding down the street the other day and this guy was like double took us and we were just like...
We should have like a beatbox with gangster music on while we're riding them.
A boombox.
Oh, yeah. I don't know why, I feel like I have to wear like black, like a bomber jacket and big boots. Like, what you call me earlier?
Method man.
Yeah. It does a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour, which I've actually beaten, Craig. When you go downhill, it goes faster than that. I see it on my little screen. So of course, like me, if you don't like walking or, you know, running, things like that, this part here, what's it called?
Throttle.
The go button. You just twist it, and I'm not even pedaling, and it takes you already. You've barely got to do anything on this, which is my kind of bike, Craig.
The best part about this bike is that when we can eventually take them out with Custard, they fold up, mate.
Yeah, they fold up, Craig, they fold up.
Show them.
Stop it.
Show them how easy it is.
This is why they're perfect for us, I think. So just pop that down by there, like that. Up like that. Oh, we're folding, lads, we're folding. Just like that. Oh, it's so good. Because they're just going to fit in the back of Custard then. And when we're stuck in campsites and things, instead of getting like the train into town, we'll just jump on these bad boys.
Look at that.
Absolutely love it.
Straight in the boot. Straight in Custard's boot.
Gangster.
So since we got these bikes, it's been class just to get out one bit of exercise a day, hasn't it?
Yeah, cheers, Boris.
You're having the best day ever on your little bike, babes.
I can talk to you. I'm not out of puff, like you barely feel like you're doing much on this. It's just the best gift of life, Craig.
We're saying as well, I can't wait for the summer. It's not that cold today, it's quite nice, but it's going to be so nice. Just summer nights, like in a pair of shorts, cruising around the streets. Sun kissed, you know. Top Chef, my missus.
Welcome to the King in It kitchen with myself, Top Chef, and this is my apprentice. I got my hat in culinary school. Craig made his off YouTube.
So today in the King in It kitchen, we will be making a Thai curry with noodles.
And for dessert, we'll be making a Vicky sponge.
Ooh, baby. So these are the ingredients that you will need to create these masterpieces.
I just want to point out here that both recipes are vegan.
Vegan, baby. And they say, what on earth do vegans eat? Check this out.
So this is what it's supposed to look like whenever it comes out.
So we're following this recipe, but with curries, the beauty of them is you can literally chuck in whatever you want and it'll taste. Top tip of the day from the apprentice. If you've got whole garlic, is this a clove or?
No.
A whole garlic stash. Then you just chop the top off so that it looks like this. Put some oil in there and put it in with all your veg. Cover the whole thing in foil and then like infuses the whole thing with garlic. With these. And at the end you can squeeze the garlic cloves out and you can make like garlic bread and stuff like that with it. Hot fire, mate. So Amy opens the lemongrass jar, chucks it all over the floor, goes, oh, Craig. And then I put the vegetable stock in there and stir it once and leave it. She pours all the water in, leaves the vegetable stock. I think we should swap hats, mate.
You were supposed to stir it. That's
Unbelievable.
why. Why would you leave that in there like that?
Apprentice.
You didn't obviously stir it well enough. The peppers were a bit big.
Look at the Top Chef having a great time. She's just dancing then, go on.
No.
Show us your moves.
So if you're going to be cooking or baking for quite a long time, I've got a really great podcast that you can listen to. It's called the King in It Travel Podcast. We're not listening to it because that would make us really egotistical and big-headed. We got Stormzy on.
It smells divine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It looks really good.
Thai green number.
Leave that to simmer and now we'll start on the cake.
This is why you love cakes. That's how much sugar goes in.
I mean, that's how much sugar I have in my cup of tea in the mornings anyway.
Why is there a chunk of that missing?
Just give me a spoon. Just give me a spoon. I'll just get into bed now and watch Stacey Dooley documentaries. Absolutely good. Oh, I can't wait, Craig. The cake's my favourite food ever.
Oh my god.
Finish off your absolute masterpiece. Oh my god, it smells so good. Some cashew nuts and some red chilies. Oh, Craig. I'm a dog.
Stop. Even though you wrecked the kitchen today, hats off to you. I was going to cheers, but...
Oh, that is beautiful. tasty stuff, innit?
I was not expecting it to be that good.
And grand reveal cake number 1.
Oh, beauty.
And to finish, dust your cake. We're still full from our food from earlier, so we've got one special thing to do today. I'm taking the lead on this.
I wouldn't call it special.
It's your special day, Craig. I'm gonna cut his hair.
Oh my days.
He needs it.
Hi mate, I'm here for an haircut.
Oh, not I, mate. Yeah, take a seat. Take a seat. Not much room in here.
Okay.
What would you like then?
Just like a little fade, you know? Like a number 2 on the back and sides, and then just a little trim on the top.
Yeah. That's absolutely fine, mate.
Done that before, yeah?
Yeah. Got all rushed off my feet all day. Been doing it all day. That's fine, yeah. I've got my Philips 1500 series. Do you want mind plugging it in for me, lads? Just take that there. Just down the bottom there. Just plug it in. What number's that?
Number 2.
That's what you want.
Well, like, so you do a 2 to like there or something, you know?
You got any clips?
No. Have you done this before or what?
Yeah. 35 years I've been doing this.
Get close.
Oh, love.
Get...
How's that for you?
Looking
Yeah, do you
great.
like?
Love it. Love it.
Top of your ear forward. Does he ask you to do that?
No. Before you carry on, son. Look at all this.
You're probably the worst patient I've ever had.
No, but look at it.
Really appreciate if you didn't tell me how to do my job. Used to be a dog groomer. I know what I'm doing.
I look like Joe Exotic now.
Did you want a cup of tea or coffee?
No thanks.
Good.
Very aggressive for a barber.
I told you the price, yeah? You definitely ain't coming back. All the way.
I think you need some new clippers drive. Ah!
Sorry, it just went off.
Well, if it goes on, don't pull it out. Christ almighty.
Right, these are rubbish.
It's not turned on, that's why.
Look, there's nothing coming off there. Do you know why? Because I've been over it. So shut your cake hole. Go for number 1. How do I do that then? Change this?
Have a look at the back of it.
Have a look at the
No.
back of this.
God.
Yeah.
You're...
You could just pop your ear down for me. That'd be great. What?
Why have I got a bowl patch?
You don't have a bowl patch.
What's that?
Just shut up, Craig.
No, that is a bowl. Is that
Just shut up.
because there's a hole in that?
I'm sure. Yeah, they broke it. You can't use them.
Going awfully fast.
Oh, I'm professional. Right, lad.
Say to that.
Whoa. Watch out. What do you want me to do? Okay, so just a little trim on top, is it?
Yes, please drive.
Okay. You got some scissors. Tesco's or Crayola?
Oh my god, wait.
You're gonna get me a job after this. You watch. This is gonna take some time. Sharona.
Who's Sharona?
You're too young to know, love. Don't worry about it. How's that looking? Is that looking fresh? Round there like that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? You look sick, mate. I don't know what you're on about. Right, give me that shaver on low. Go and sort that out. I'm just gonna go for it. But it'll be...
That's like a skin fade.
Or I'll just skim these over it.
Yeah, use the short thing.
I'm not gonna take a big chunk out. I'm just gonna... This is what I used to do, dog grooming. Absolutely fine. Nobody can see you because you're in isolation.
And what shape are you doing the back?
Oh, what shape would you like?
Tapered, please, drive.
What does that mean? In the form of a haircut?
Non-square back.
Alright, okay. I'll fix it. You are looking crispy chicken, Craig. Swear. It is quite long though, Craig. Get out of my salon. I mean, I think that's pretty decent. Let me show the folks at home what we're working with. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this is what we're currently working with. Nice fade there. Little Wolverine V, do you know what I mean? Nice and short, still at the back. Fabulous. How are you feeling?
Thank God we're on lockdown, eh?
So it was $2.90 for the cut. And then, because you're borrowing my scissors and my equipment and that, it's an extra 52 on top.
52
so
quid?
I take it, check or PayPal.
I'll give you a blank check.
I know people, so I wouldn't think about not paying. Have you seen my shirt? Oh, by the way, we ate the cake. Forgot to show you. It was delicious.
So now, after a massive day...
I mean, we've done so much, Craig. What have we done? What have we done? I forgot.
I got some bowl patches. We made the cake, we made the curry, we worked out. We went on a bike ride.
All of that. People say they get bored in isolation. Do you know what I mean?
It's just so much to do.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what me and Craig Holmes get up to on your average isolation day.
Lockdown, baby!
I hope you've enjoyed this video and it's taken your mind off certain things that are happening in the world right now.
Like what?
I'll tell you later.
Thanks for watching, guys. We've got some super exciting upcoming videos. So if you're brand spanking new, make sure you press subscribe. And if you're not, thanks for sticking with us, lads.
I hope everybody's staying...
I hope everyone's staying safe and warm inside their little houses.
Oh, that's a shame. I hope you're all staying safe and warm at home, abiding by all the rules. Hopefully things will blow over pretty quickly and everybody can get back to normal and we can get on the road again. Always remember, because your life is your life, not anybody else's. So you just take control of that. Take control of your life and always remember to rule your own world.
1, 2, 3,
Bye.
bye!